When estrogen dips, our skin produces less oil and loses elasticity. So at this stage of life, we really must switch up our beauty routine because what used to work when we were younger doesn't cut it anymore. And if you have never truly invested in good skincare or paid attention to ingredients, now is the time to start doing so. It's super common for women to come to me and say, I have no idea where to begin. And I also have women that come to me and say that they really haven't done much for their skin at all, except for maybe a little moisturizer here and there. In fact, recently I had a client come to me for help because she's turning 60 and she said, oh my gosh, I've been using body moisturizer on my face for years. So there's no shame, okay? There is no shame at all. What I am going to do is give you ideas to get you started in the right direction to restore and renew your glow. But before we begin, I really want you to keep something in mind. When you're incorporating something new into your routine and you incorporate several new things, like several new ingredients or several new products, you've made a lot of changes at once. And so if you have a reaction, whether that be with your skin or, your body, you won't know where that reaction came from. Got it? So we're going to break this down into small steps, and then you can start incorporating little bits and pieces at a time and figure out what works for you and what doesn't. That's what this show is all about, educating you with professional advice so that you can make better decisions for yourself and stop spending money in areas that aren't serving you.